Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Today we will talk about bridge edge loops. I have here a simple box with an inset on two sides. The inset faces are selected. If I now go to edge bridge edge loops, you can see that it makes a hole. Now let's see how this tool will behave when we try to make multiple holes. I'm going to switch to this object by pressing Alt Q. I'm going to go to edge bridge edge loops. It's a mess, but wait, let's actually fix that. The magic happens in this little bridge edge loops property window. Here you have multiple choices. By switching from open loop to loop pairs, it actually fixes it. Now you know how to turn that on. I hope you learned something new today. We're Digital Monkey School. Please support us by signing up for our virtual Blender camps and classes, and I will talk to you in my next tutorial.